Hello, my name is Alin Ivan, and in this first video of my final project, I will guide you through the blog website that I have developed for documentation purposes on my project progress. We're currently on the homepage of the blog, which holds the timeline of the blog. But first, let's see how do we navigate across pages. So the project uses a set of subpages relevant to every component of the project, such as objectives, research, development, schedule, reports, bibliography, contact, and so on. The subpages can be accessed via the dashboard on the timeline or the homepage by clicking any of the icons that you can observe, or by clicking any of the options on the menu on the left. In addition to the menu, the timeline has the actual timeline of the activities, which start with the project allocation and ends with the latest activity, the latest blog activity. As we can observe, the latest blog activity is on the 28th of June, and it's a schedule update where project objectives have been added. Now, the project blog uses a set of third-party software providers, such as Google Documents, where we host several documents, GitLab, where we host the source code, and Jira, where the project management is conducted. In order to see the schedule update from the latest activity, we can either click the menu on the left, the icon on the dashboard where a schedule is written, or we can either click the link on the listing on the timeline or the view button. And we will end up to the schedule subpage. The schedule subpage provides an article and two pinned articles, which provides a link to Google Docs where a classic Gantt chart is hosted, and another link to the project schedule on Jira Project Management. We will access the Jira Project Management by clicking the project schedule, and Jira software will open where a roadmap of the project management is illustrated along with the timeline and the relevant objectives. Now I will guide you through the remaining subpages of the blog. So first is a timeline, which has the dashboard and the timeline. The second one is accessibility subpage, in which the third-party software are listed along with the requirements, such as requesting access or creating an account. These requirements are for the user to benefit of full access of project documentation. Please grant access by contacting me if you do not have access and would like to view the project progress and all the documentation. The objectives page consists of two articles, which provides links to Google Docs and where objectives and deliverables are listed. The research subpage provides a list of articles relevant to current state of the research on the project. Also at the top, it's pinned an article which provides a link to Google Docs consisting of the actual project report progress. And if we click it, Google Docs will open and we can see the current state of the project report. It's mainly empty right now. The development, it's empty, but it will be filled with development progress. Same applies for the experiments, with the exception that experiments provide pin articles at the top, linking to Google documentation such as experience results and results charts. Project management provides links to Jira software where a backlog is listed, and also Kanban boards which illustrate tasks and their states. The schedule as a project schedule, we've been through that. The meeting subpage lists all the meetings details that I've been part of with their dates, where the latest is at the top. The source code provides a link to GitLab, where the source code of the projects is hosted. We also have a stakeholders page, which lists all the project stakeholders, including Middlesex University, the program leader, supervisor, lecturers, other persons that may be involved in the project, and myself as the project researcher. The bibliography page provides a hard list of links and details of either books or journals or any material that I've consulted during my research. Same applies for the useful links subpage. It provides a hard list with essentially every link of the project, including Google Docs, videos, source code, project management, and blog website. And ultimately, the contact page provides means of contact, including sending a message through Google Forms, sending an email, or calling or WhatsApping me. Please get in touch if you have any questions or if you request access to benefit of the whole documentation of the project. The project is called Engagement Estimation and Human-Robot Interaction using Feature Aggregation and Machine Learning. I hope to be a successful project, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you very much for listening.